Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing Convertkit with Fluent CRM, which is the best choice for you if you're a creator, blogger, you've got a membership website. Which of these two great platforms should you consider for your email marketing and marketing automation? I've got some great advice. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So, what's best, Convertkit or Fluent CRM? Now, Convertkit really appeals to creators, people that are making videos on YouTube, blogging, and people that got a membership website. It's a standalone platform. It's a SaaS, software as a service. And if you're between 3,000 and 5,000 subscribers, which is the average size list of the type of users that's going to be attractive to its platform, it's going to cost you between $45 and $70 a month. Fluent CRM, it's a plugin. It works inside the WordPress platform. It's really powerful. It's a combination of Convertkit and ActiveCampaign. One of the reasons why Convertkit got so popular is that compared to ActiveCampaign, it's quite a bit less in what they charge. ActiveCampaign really is a kind of quasi-enterprise level. It kind of oscillates between the world of the single entrepreneur membership creative and more like HubSpot or Salesforce or a couple of other really kind of quasi-corporate, larger email marketing platforms. That's what ActiveCampaign, it kind of oscillates between those. And compared to HubSpot or some of the other larger platforms like Keep, which used to be Infusionsoft, it's a considerable saving. But compared to Convertkit, it charges quite a bit, about a third. The size of your list is going to be at a third. Now, when it comes to Fluent, it's about, for a single site license, it's around $120 a year, but you will need an email sending service to work with Fluent CRM. And that the best one I would suggest is SendGrid. It costs you about $20 a month. That's up to 100,000 emails you can send out a month. Take that in, 100. If you're trying to send 100 emails through Convertkit, it costs you about a couple $1,000 a month. But to be fair to it, that is not its target audience. Its target audience is between 3 and 10,000 subscribers per month on your list. Now, the other difference is that you've got to send up your SendGrid account, and with Fluent CRM, you're probably looking around 360 a year. 360 a year. If you've got a list between 3,000 and 5,000 with Convertkit, that's going to cost you anything from $500 to $800 a year. If you're paying annually with Convertkit. If you're paying month to month, it's going to cost you even more. It's probably going to cost you over $1,000 a year. So there's a big saving, and to be quite truthful, you can do a lot more with Fluent CRM. Like I say, Convertkit is great, but it has certain boundaries. It's not built where Fluent CRM is Convertkit with ActiveCampaign campaign combined. Now, the one area that Fluent CRM doesn't offer is that ConvertKit offer landing pages that are integrated in their platform. But to be honest, if you're utilizing Fluent CRM, that they have tight integration with their own form plugin called Fluent Forms. They have a pro version, but the free version is enormously powerful, and the paid version isn't ridiculously priced. It's another 100 or something. And if you're utilizing modern WordPress, either Elementor or you're utilizing Gutenberg with Cadence or Spectre, you can build landing pages really quickly and integrate them with Fluent CRM. And watching a couple of videos on YouTube, you'll be able to knock them out, no problem. It's a really, really powerful system. Now, so to end this video, what I would say is if you're looking for something really pretty easy to use and you read the features and you're not looking to push things, you're just doing a bit of marketing automation and a few email, ConvertKit, you could do a lot worse than ConvertKit. But if you're into WordPress and you want to do a little bit more marketing automatizations, which you can because it really does integrate superbly into WordPress, really look at Fluent CRM. I think it's one of the bargains out there for the price and power metrics. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and do subscribe to the channel. It's what Google and YouTube is looking for. It really encourages me to make more of these videos. Hopefully you found it useful. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.